In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the name of your Facebook group. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So once you have logged in to your Facebook group, the first thing you will need to do from here is come to the sidebar and click on Groups. And then once you click on that, as you can see on the left hand side, there's an option there for groups you manage. So click on the group you want to change the name of. So I'm going to click on this one here. Click on that, and then from there what you will need to do is stay on the left hand side bar here and scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see Settings. Click on Settings, and then as you can see at the top of the page there is a setup group tile here, and as you can see, name and description. If you click on this little pencil icon right at the side, you will get this little pop up, and then at the top all you need to do is simply enter in a new name. So for example, I will go ahead and put 2 minutes tutorials, and if I want my name to be this, all I simply need to do is click on the save button right here. Click on the save button, and as you can see, my name has now been changed to 2 minute tutorials. So that's how you can go ahead and change the name of your group on Facebook.